This is Rumeysa from Draftbit. Today, I'll introduce you to a powerful action that lets you dynamically change the look of your app. It's called Change Theme Action. This action instantly switches between different predefined themes, updating your app's colors, typography, font styles, and more. In this video, we will explore how it works and how you can use it in your projects. Since this action is directly related to themes, let's take a quick look at where you manage them. On the left sidebar, go to the Themes and Styles tab. To use the Change Theme action, you must have more than one theme. You can create themes in different ways, using the theme wizard, starting from scratch, or importing from another project. I've already created a few themes. If you click Edit on a theme, you can configure settings like light and dark mode colors, including background, borders, text, and etc., and also typography for fonts, size, line height, and etc. Now, let's add a way for users to change the theme in the app. You can use a picker or a button to trigger the theme change. I'll just use a picker so users can select the theme from a drop-down list. I'm going to add a picker component. Let's center it. Since I'm using a picker, I need to define the options for the picker. In the variables page, I already created a screen variable called theme options. This is an object array type screen variable and stores 3 objects. Label is to display the name of the theme, and value is the actual theme name that you use in Draftbit. The value must exactly match the theme name you used in Draftbit. If they don't match, the action won't work. I won't go into detail on how to create picker options. You can check our component series videos for that. I'm going to select the picker again, and in the Data tab, in the options, I'm going to choose the theme options screen variable. Now I can display the theme options in the drop-down. In the Interactions tab, we have onValueChange trigger. If I click on it, it will open the action editor. We're going to search for Change Theme action, and let's add it to our action stack. In this action, you can select the theme from the drop-down, and also there is a persistent option. When enabled, the app will remember the selected theme even after a restart. Let's choose the Draftbit default theme for now. We want the theme change to happen only when the user selects a specific theme, in this case the Draftbit default theme. So in the conditions section, we're going to choose the new picker value action data, which is the user's selection. If user selection is equal to Draftbit default theme, then the theme will change to Draftbit default. Since I have 3 themes, I'll just duplicate this action. And I'll configure the conditions and themes for each. Now let's try it out. The picker allows us to select a theme, and the theme changes instantly. The background color also updates based on the selected theme, and the fonts and etc. This is a simple yet powerful way to customize your app's appearance dynamically in Draftbit. See you in the next video and happy building!